Today, we're frying up a classic from the 90s and 2000s.
There's still nothing better than a platter full of crunchy coconut shrimp.
Oh, and it's made even better with some homemade Thai sweet chili sauce.
That's right.
I love it.
Coconut shrimp was like the appetizer, like when we were in our, let's say, 30s.
A little while ago. Wesley's been bugging me to do this. And we used to do it all the time for like a decade.
Yes.
So we've been playing around with it and we're like, why is it still not popular?
I love
it.
coconut
Is. I think
shrimp.
Red Lobster is still one of their main things.
Listen to the Backstreet Boys, have some coconut shrimp.
It's good living. It's good living. All right, let's do it. And it's easy.
So I'm gonna make the batter real quick. So we're gonna do a batter, and then we're gonna do also then the coconut mixture. So the batter, I've got a cup of flour, and I'm gonna throw in a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, and then I'm just gonna mix that together real
So this is
quick.
get your dredging station all together.
Yes, exactly. All right, got that mixed together.
While he's doing that, I'm heating up my oil. I just got a nice my cast iron skillet. I'm heating this up to 350, 330. You just want to get a nice crisp on this shrimp.
Okay, so we've got a wet mixture that we're gonna throw into the flour. I've got 2 eggs here that I slightly beaten, and then I've got a tablespoon of melted butter.
Just melt it in the, let it cool
Yes.
slightly.
And then I've got a cup of orange juice, a little citrus with this coconut.
It really adds such an amazing
I'm
combination
making
of
a
flavors.
mess.
That's okay.
All right, and I'm just gonna, look at this little whisk, Chris's little whisk.
I love my little whisk.
Chris's little whisk. I think we should write a children's book about it.
Yeah, children's with Chris's little whisk. The little whisk that could.
All right, so I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put it into the dry, and then I'm going to mix it all together.
It's gonna make a lovely batter. This is
Yes.
reminiscent. This always reminds me of like when you do beer batter shrimp.
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of the same concept.
There we
So
go.
now while he's doing that, I have got I don't know if everyone see this. I've got
Yeah,
3 cups
totally.
of sweetened coconut. We've been playing around with this, and you can use sweetened or unsweetened. And there's something about the sweetened.
yeah, you gotta
It
use
just
sweetened.
goes well with the flavor, the combination of flavors. And then this is a cup of Panko breadcrumbs, and I'm just going to use my clean hands just to mix this up.
Trying not to get this everywhere.
I know it takes a little bit for that to kind of come together and make
There we go.
it makes just kind of a
It's like
fairly thick batter that
Yeah.
is going to coat that shrimp, and then we're going
Where
to.
did you used to go to have where did we used to go to have coconut
Well,
shrimp?
I would make it at home because
Well, of course.
I know, but because it was all the rage. I mean, you'd go to. I was saying
Red Lobster.
but there were even I know Bennigan's that was probably in the 80s.
Bennigan's?
Where did y'all go to get this? Do you remember? It was on everyone's menu there for a while.
That's
It was when we lived
that
in.
smells good, that orange in there.
I know it does. And so now this right here we have got
Further into
a pound of shrimp, the nice large shrimp. What we did is we took the shells off, we made sure they were deveined, and we left the tails on them.
Yes, you need something
you
to
want
grab
something
onto.
to grab, and these are good. And you're not going to be eating those tails. Okay, so now
All right, I'm gonna start doing. Did you mix in together the breadcrumbs?
I did.
Okay.
It was a very easy task.
All right, here. Thank you.
And now what we're going to do is we're going to just go ahead and bread all of these. So then they fry up pretty quickly. And then, oh my goodness gracious, we'll talk about this amazing sauce
So
in
I
just
just
a moment.
throw this through here like that. Get the excess off,
It just,
and then I'll throw it over here, and
he's
cut
doing a
it
lot
up.
of throwing. He's throwing things around.
Look at that! Look at that,
And it
people.
just sticks to it beautifully, perfectly.
great?
It's going to fry up so gorgeously. Yay. Okay, so we're
right.
going to do the rest of these, and then it's time to fry them up. Okay, they
Look
are
at those.
fully breaded.
They don't look delicious yet, but they
Oh,
will be.
they will be. They will be. So I got my oil. I've got my oil. You want it between 330 and 350. I don't like it too hot because I don't want this coconut to burn too quickly. Also, if you don't have like a thermometer like what I've got, just get a little piece of bread, toss it in. If it takes about 10 seconds for it to get nice and brown, then you're good. If it burns too quickly, it's too hot. If it takes forever, it's not hot enough. Okay. We're going to put those
I'm
in.
going to put these in. Chris, you talk about this.
Look at this beautiful. This is that Thai sweet chili sauce that's amazing.
I'll put that on anything.
Is delicious. So, okay,
All right, you talk about that.
You start putting those in, and then I'm going to start talking.
All right.
I want to see the first one
All
go
right,
in.
here we go. Look at that.
Yum, there they go.
wonderful,
Okay,
wonderful.
let's talk about this sauce. So it's really easy. You're going to start off with a cornstarch slurry, and you just need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water to that, stir it until it's fully combined. Then in a medium saucepan over medium-high heat, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a 1/2 cup of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, a 1/4 cup of garlic chili sauce, a tablespoon of fresh lime juice, and then a 1/2 cup of dark brown sugar, a tablespoon of chili powder, and then some scallions that you've chopped, about 1 bunch. You're going to bring that to a strong boil and then lower the heat, let it simmer for about a minute, and then we're going to stir in that cornstarch slurry. Stir it, stir it, stir it till it thickens up slightly, and then you transfer it to a cute little bowl and then top it with some scallions.
There you go. Look at those.
That's looking good. Okay,
wow,
you could
look
have
at
put a
that.
few more in, but that's okay.
Oh, no. All right, here, you take over.
Okay,
I always
take
get
over.
nervous.
I know. Don't be nervous. Okay, these are looking beautiful. So they don't take long. And like I said, now we put some chilled shrimp in there. So I'm gonna crank my heat up. I like to maintain a temperature of about 350. But you see how those are starting to get nice and golden? Look at that.
Look at that.
I love the little like coconut pieces. It just kind of gives it such a beautiful, beautiful texture. And literally, these only take maybe 4 minutes, 2 minutes per side, and they're already getting real close, but we're almost there. Okay, these are beautiful. Look at that. So, gorgeous. So now we've got a
Look at those little nuggets of deliciousness.
unbelievable deliciousness. I think people are going to see these and people are going to be like, we need these back on the menu,
Yeah,
everybody.
why?
Or just make them yourself. That's always your best solution. I also want to say, Candy, hi out there. Candy, you requested these as well. I just remembered. And so we are always thrilled to get requests. Sometimes it takes longer than you guys wish that we could get them on the schedule, but we did them. So those are beautiful. We're going to finish these up, and then we're going to dig in. Look at that. Is that not a beautiful? I'm telling you, you guys, you serve this to guests. I mean, okay, let's just reserve judgment.
Yes.
Okay. And I love the handles here. You
Yes,
got.
look at that.
Isn't that beautiful?
All right, I'm going in first.
Okay. And this sauce is good room temperature, but there's something really delicious if you serve it warm.
Yes. You ready?
I was born ready. You know, it's a classic for a reason. Wow.
Oh.
That is flavor. And the texture. Are you happy?
This is like happy food.
You know, I was thinking as we were going through all of this, like so many of you are like, we still order those all the time. I don't know what you're talking about that they've gone out of time. We never go out to eat. We're too busy home cooking. But these are so much fun to make at home, and the flavor.
Oh.
What about that homemade sauce?
That sauce has got
It's just a little bit of kicked up.
sweet, but then a little right
You
back.
can also, obviously, you can buy Thai sweet chili sauce. That's okay, but homemade is easy.
Y'all, this is 1,000,000% Loon approved.
I'm gonna even say it's more than that.
I could eat these day in and day out.
And we may just eat all of these right here before we see you guys next.
Yes.
All right. Or just come over and help us eat it.
Come on. Come
Bye,
on.
everybody. We
Yay,
love you.
listen to some Backstreet Boys, eat some coconut shrimp.
Turn on a little NSYNC, and man, you are in town. All right, bye, everybody. We love you.